have a great time. That's what's most important, is just have a great time and visit with one another. We don't get to see each other a lot. And then don't go away after Best Breed. We're going to have our Legacy Awards. I'm going to read them, so please stay for that. That's very important for all of our legacy dogs. So that's a lot of fun. So I wish everyone best of luck, and let's have a great time, all right? Did I forget? Oh, one more thing. Of course, I always forget something. We're going to have, don't go, everybody that's in the show, we're going to have a group picture. Oh, cool.
Yes.
Yeah.
So don't
We're going to say group picture of everybody. And your dogs.
I don't care. You can cheat.
And I would like the dogs.
All the dogs. We're trying to get worldwide.
All your dogs, and I don't know about lining all those boys up together.
Well,
We'll get it.
we'll get it.
Figure it out.
Put girl, boy, girl, we'll do something together. But anyway, we want a group picture of everybody, and we'll put that on Facebook, and so everybody can see that we all came with all of these gorgeous dogs, and we had a great time. All right? Everybody that knows me knows I know everybody's faces, but I feel everybody should wear name tags, because Diana doesn't remember anybody's name except my husband and my kids. And sometimes they have to.
I can remember everybody's dogs.
I know.
Yeah, so like all my clients, they're in my phone and it's like, yeah, exactly. Ella's dog, Ella's mom.
Yeah.
She's like, I don't know their names.
Lila Best, and we want to thank her for stepping in. Sandy Drake, if everyone hasn't heard, called us 48 hours before the show from the hospital in tears. She had an emergency and was in the hospital, and we had our board stepped up really, really quick, and our alternate judge was Lila, and Lila rearranged herself and came in and did our show. So I want to thank everyone, our board and Lila, that we got our judge, and here we are, okay? Thank you very much.
puppy standard male, 238.
Almost. Oh, we almost had it, didn't we? Good. We almost had it.
That is my miniature male puppy, 245.
Sarah. Here we go. Okay.
Did the dog take your homework?
No. Yes, that was Debbie. Did that. Debbie ate her homework. Yeah, Debbie ate her homework.
You're not scared. Let me clean up the smorgasbord.
Yes, we did. Okay,
Boy.
see, you did it. You never thought about it.
You want my number? What are you gonna do with it? It doesn't taste very good. You silly.
I said, what are they on? I don't know. Standard, they just did standard male puppy. Huh? Standard male puppy. Okay. Not sure. I could be wrong. I've been wrong many times. No, we're glad I brought, he said, Sophie, good luck. And he said, also, tell Susan good luck, that is. And then he said, tell Tina I'm glad you brought Richard because he's really nice, he's the best thing you've ever had, and we didn't let him enough, and blah, blah, blah. We go to your dog.
Yeah, but you had, I mean,
I like nice dogs, but he's just really got He's really big psychopath.
He's got great muscles.
Yeah, he does. Well, that's what I really wanted more than anything, was to get this. Sarah, you better be careful. Right back to her. Who are you? I looked over there. Yeah, I'm Thursday.
So that was mini mail. So now this is best mail.
The rules, so I know.
You are.
I know, I read them all the way up there too. I'm pretty color on you. Here, let me fix your color.
Oh. It keeps getting caught on my hair.
Yeah, well, be thankful.
Just hold this. I can fix this.
Huh? I told you Tina called me and asked me if I was bringing a hairdryer.
Jack,
I know.
understand the emails?
She goes, well, I'm certainly not, or whatever, and I said, oh, and then you're kind of like, well, that was dumb.
Yeah. Well, you know, I have a friend that's had polio since birth, and we've been friends for like 4 years. She's a paralegal too. And she was a very fun lady. She's has ever since she was like a child. So we're at the Plaza Americas in Downtown Dallas, and we go to work. And then
Oh, that's a good picture of Bob.
oh, it sure is. I look at she was on my screen, and I said, I go, oh, duh. She said, oh, you know what? I'm glad that you don't think about my baby. Because I said, I know, but that is just stupid. Say that. And I mean, we've been friends for so long.
I do stuff like that all the time. I never think before I speak.
Well,
Sometimes I'm just as surprised at what comes out as everybody else.
well, I've been like that a long time. My biggest problem with the treatment of it is it's not so much your memory is that you know what you want to say, but you can't get the word come out of your mouth. And that is so annoying. And so with Susan or Tina will go, you know that word that means blah, 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 and then Susan or Tina will go, oh, this. I go, yeah, that word. Do you have a comb or anything with you? No, I mean, well, you don't need it. I was gonna say you probably should comb her a little bit before you go in the ring. She looks kind of fly away. She's no threat to you. No, I'm not worried about that. I just wasn't. I don't know when she was her hand over mine. Seriously, I've never seen anybody cart on me. You are ready? Yeah, I know. It's the same. It's Sally, that's all. Well, since I don't know who what's her face is, I guess, I don't know. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Yeah, I'm aware. I'm trying to. I always know how to do it now. There it is. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Now they're doing skinny. I didn't want to nail that. I didn't know how to test it.
Go back.
Well, I am. I'll be sure I'll do that on that.